Yeah, good day and welcome to this video. We are going to just have a short overview of the Jifu page, the back office, so you know how to navigate your Jifu account. So let's start by logging in. So you go to your G4 Live, G4Live2.com, and then you enter your login details. Mine is already there. So you log in. Yeah, I think internet is a bit slow, so it takes a bit of time. Okay, so in this video, we are just going to walk through the entire G4 back office, and then so you know where to find information and where to retrieve information when you need it. Okay, so here we go. Welcome, Marjorie. That's me. So this is the GFO homepage. This is the GFO homepage, and then it basically shows you where to navigate. Everything is actually on this homepage. So what you'll see, you can change the language. Jifu has content in different languages, so you can select the language you speak here, and then when you log in, Jifu automatically picks your geolocation. The site picks your geolocation, so the time zone will actually be in according to where you're currently, your current time zone. So mine picked Lagos, Africa. Yeah, so here you have notifications, of what's there, and then you have the live button. Now, when you click on the live button, it's going to show you which of the educators are currently, live. So right now, I'm not seeing any educator. If an educator was live, you'd have seen them once you click this live button. So let us go to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you see the economic news page. So in this economic news page, you're going to find a lot of news on what's going on in the market. And if you scroll down, you can click and read the news if you want to. Major current news on major currency pairs, it's right there. And then when you go down, you can actually see a snapshot of what's going on in the stocks market. So that's the stocks heat map. So it gives a snapshot, and you're seeing all red. The market is actually gaining a bearish momentum going downwards. And then you have the cryptocurrency heat map. You can see there. So this is like a snapshot. So you have an idea, oh, this is what's going on in the market. Then we have the scanners. Maybe on that left-hand side, you have the scanners, but then we'll come back to the scanners. Let's take a look at the profile. Here's where you have your profile. If you click that arrow button, it's going to take you to your profile, and then you view details. You're going to see, these are like different, you earn points. You earn points every time you interact, with the Jifu app. You watch videos, you're learning in the academy, you earn points. So this is like a gamification of sorts, here. So, and you can rank up, depends on how much you are using the platform. So if you're going to have rewards for this, we'll learn about it much later, but I sort of like it. because you can progress and run through the rank. So you can return to your profile here. So let us go to the I've already talked about Jifu Live. Nothing is happening on the live platform at the moment. So let us take a look uh, at the home page again. Now, at this home page, you have the different academies that Jifu offers. You have the Forex Academy, the Crypto Academy, the e-commerce, the Social Media Academy. You also have the Mindset Academy. You have Finance Academy. And now these different academies, give, you have content there. Let's take a look at Forex Academy, for instance. If you're interested in Forex Academy, this comes in, the lessons here come in different modules. You have modules for beginners, for intermediate, for advanced, and it's so beginner friendly that you can start from the very, very basic, and then go from there. So now, when you look down, you're going to see schedule session. These are the different educators that we have teaching different strategy. And if you look at the timing here, the timing system is a 24-hour time system, so 13, when you see 13 here, it actually means it's 1 p.m. So you see like the title, of the session. So it gives you an idea of what the line of discussion will be during that session. So you see the scheduled session here. So if you have particular educators that you follow, you can see the schedule and you can join them and see what their schedule looks like. Join them in their trading session and learn a thing or two. So once it's that time, you come here, you can join them and see what's going on. You can chat with them. There's a stream chat here. You can actually chat with them and interact with them, ask questions during the session. And then down here, you also have like recorded sessions. Yeah, it's already highlighted. So the most recent, not just the most recent sessions, a lot of this Jifu Live, too, it's a 2.0. So a lot of information is still being migrated here. But this was the most recent session for this educator. His name is Jay Bonham, and he's very excellent with the US. He trades US 30 using the kill shot scanner. So the recorded sessions, you usually find them here. And then when you click on courses, you also see courses that the educators have, because some educators have courses, some might not have courses. And then you can see files here. When they upload files, that's where you find it. You can see FAQs, which is like frequently asked questions about, that educator. So this is what you see there. So let us go back. Let's go back to the scanner. Now, these are the scanners that Jifu Academy offers. You have the Golden Era scanner, the Trendwave scanner, the Smart scanner, the Smart Monix scanner, the Killshot scanner, and the Sniper Pro scanner. So now you can learn how to use the scanners. Now, if you click here, you're going to, on that bar, learn how to use the Jifu scanners. It's going to give you, you have access to tutorials on how to use the scanners. So this is where you start. You start from these videos, watch the videos. There are also documents. On different scanners. So this one is for Trendwave. So you can download the documents. Look at that. You can download the documents. Click on this button. It will give you the option to download. And then here you have FAQs about, the scanners. So I believe they are still being populated. And also, but you have like a head start of, learning first. Please learn first about how to use the scanners and then you start using the scanners. And there are different educators that also teach on, they are specialists with, a particular scanner. So you can join their session and learn how to use the scanners. And once you've learned how to use the scanner, you can actually now start using the scanners to take trades. So we'll come back here. You can click on the scanner. This is what a scanner looks like. This is the trend wave scanner, and it gives you an idea of what's going on in the market. It also gives you like entry, exit points, profit points, and also you need to learn how to use the scanners. And when you come here, you see this symbol here is for cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin symbol. And then you have the time zones, and then you have the time frames, whether it's 5 minutes. If you click on 5 minutes, this chart you're saying is a 5 minutes chart. If I click on 1 hour, you see that the chart will actually show a different formation for that same instrument. You're looking at BTC, you can click on Ethereum and see the chart for Ethereum. Let me go back to 5 minutes. So you have the E symbol here represents the currencies. So you have the various currencies listed here, various currencies. These are instruments, forex pairs that are being traded. So they are listed there for you to, you can pick them. Let me pick one, for instance, and there are always trade ideas. This one is a sell trade, and it's showing you the different exit points where you can take your profits and leave the market. And this invalidation, like stop loss, where to protect your capital. So you have indices like the US 30, popularly known as Dow Jones, and then you have NASDAQ, NASDAQ 100, SPX 500, and different, indices. So you also have like the oil, you have gold, metals and all basically here. So let's say gold, for instance. So this is gold. This is gold. So there's a way to use the scanners and become profitable. And you've been seeing the results on Jifu, the results that Jifu gives for trading. So how to use the scanners will be a subject of discussion for another video. It's actually in one of the videos on this channel, so you can take a look at it and see how we use the scanners to take trades. So this is how you move around your Jifu Academy platform. Yeah, so you are welcome. Happy trading.